this very second. Stop scrolling, stop moving, stop thinking about anything else because God has been trying to reach you, and today is the last window. This is not drama. This is not manipulation. This is divine urgency. And if you miss this moment, if you scroll past this message in the next 47 seconds, you will feel the absence of something you cannot name later. You will carry a quiet ache, the ache of knowing you missed your appointed time. Out of millions of people watching videos right now, only 3 were supposed to see this message at this exact moment. One already scrolled past without recognizing what was in front of them. Another is watching with you right now, and you're the 3rd. The final one, the last person heaven is calling today through this specific message, and this portal closes in exactly 9 minutes. After that, it transfers to someone else, and this opportunity will not come back to you in the same way. God has done everything to reach you. Not just today, not just this week, but for the past 147 days, He has been calling your name, trying to get your attention, arranging moments, orchestrating encounters, speaking through people you did not even realize were messengers, and your guardian angel filed an emergency petition at 4:44 this morning because the window for your breakthrough is closing and delay is no longer protecting you. It is costing you. Type 444 in the comments right now. Do not wait. This is not a suggestion. This is a command from heaven. Type it before you read another word. This is your spiritual music signature, your agreement with what God is about to release. Your activation code that tells the angelic realm you are ready to receive instead of delay. Type it now. I am waiting. Heaven is watching. Angels are hovering over the comment section, waiting to see who responds. Do it now. I know why you almost scrolled past this. You have learned to protect yourself, music, by staying distant. You have learned to survive by numbing your expectations. You tell yourself that if you do not listen too closely, you will not have to feel the weight of decision you have delayed before. Many times before you told yourself you would respond later when things felt easier, when you felt stronger, when life slowed down. But listen to me carefully right now. Later never comes. Easier never arrives. Delay has a cost you do not see until it is too late. God has been speaking to you through thoughts that came suddenly and would not leave. Thoughts that asked questions your heart could not ignore. Thoughts that made you pause in the middle of your routine and wonder why you felt unsettled even when everything seemed fine on the outside. You tried to reason those thoughts away. You told yourself it was stress, imagination, coincidence. But it was Him planting seeds, awakening awareness, inviting you to look deeper. He spoke to you through doors that closed when you thought they would open. Opportunities you expected that slipped away, plans you made carefully that did not unfold the way you hoped. You wondered why progress felt slow, why answers felt distant. You questioned whether He was listening, but He was speaking through those delays, saying, wait. Even when you wanted to hear, go, those pauses were not empty. They were filled with His guidance, protecting you from paths that would have cost you more than you knew. Heaven has been counting your attempts to respond and then pull back. The number is 127 times in the past 3 years. 127 times you felt the tug, sensed Him near, recognized the pull towards something deeper, and then stepped away.